Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi, and this is the first week my kids are back in school, which means I'm back to making school lunches again. Not only do I have a week of meals to make, but I have their lunches, so I need to get into Aldi and get the goods. So let's go. And don't forget, at the end I'll share with you my meal plan, and any recipes I use will be linked below. Let's go. I want some flavored nuts to put in my son's lunch. He really wants chili lime, but cashews are his least favorite nut. I'm gonna try these hickory smoke and see if he likes these. $5.49. Oh no, my son loves the salsa con queso for his school lunches. I'm gonna have to check back tomorrow because they don't have that. But I do need salsa, and that's $2.45. And then the little round tortilla chips fit in his lunch vest, $1.95. I tried to get him to change, but he still wants this, same as last year. $1.39 for white bread, whether toast or we are having tomato soup, so maybe someone will have a grilled cheese. I need cilantro, 65 cents for cilantro lime rice. I want to see if there is basil, but it doesn't look like it. It looks like there's thyme, mint, and rosemary. I'm going to get 3 things of strawberries at $1.89 a piece, although there's not a ton of them to pick through. Okay, that looks gross. Again, I might have to wait for Meyer. These ones look decent. No, they don't. Okay, never mind. We're going to pass on the strawberries, even at a good price. But I do need broccoli. There's really not much choice, but $1.65 a pound. I was talking with a friend about peas and dill dip, and it sounded so good to me, so I had to get it this week to snack on, and I love these sugar snap peas. My kids do too, $2.39. My son wants mandarin oranges in his lunch. These are, some of them are kind of big. I like kind of the smaller ones. And dig a bit here. $3.59. I peel a bunch of carrots to go in my tomato soup. 2 pounds for $1.49. I need a gallon of 2% milk, $2.56. Something else I've been craving, cottage cheese. I love it here from Aldi, $2.69. I'm getting lots of canned items. I'm gonna get 3 of the fire roasted and 4 of the basil, garlic, and oregano diced tomatoes, 95 cents for these, and $1.15 for diced tomatoes. This is for tomato soup and the baked spaghetti. I'm gonna get a whole tray of black beans. They're 81 cents a piece, and there will be 12 of them. I use these for my dog food, vegetarian substitute, and my girls love to make this with rice. We're having baked potatoes, so I needed more potatoes, but they don't have the giant bags. So I'm gonna get a smaller bag, 5 pounds for $3.59. And I wanted to get the tricolor onions. They don't have those. They have them sometimes. I'll look at Meyer. They're also out of pineapple, which is funny. That's another thing I was looking for. But my daughter wants applesauce unsweetened, $3.09. $2.99 for peanut butter. My husband asked for this. He loves to make peanut butter shakes as the main thing. You guys know I love this stuff. I haven't bought it in a while, so I'm gonna get it this week to snack on. $1.99. In the Aldi Finds aisle, there's a lot of markdowns and then different kitchen storage. A lot of it looks familiar though. All of these fall gnomes are new, $4.99, $8.99, different pumpkins, different ceramic pumpkins, fillers, framed wall art, candle holders, LED pumpkin candles, different vases. This is all the new stuff. Okay, this pumpkin cinnamon candle smells divine, and it's $4.49. I'm gonna get that. Even though I'm a little nervous burning candles at home, I've been doing it more because I'm sick of smelling dog. Lots of rugs over here, so if you need to cover your floor, come to Aldi. So many rugs. They also have this cute divided organizer if you have lots of little knickknacks or crafty items. This is great dorm room stuff. Extension cord with the fabric cords. Tabletop switch. Cute cards. Bed set. Lots of different things. Foam pillows, only $9.99. That's a pretty good price. Sofa covers on clearance here. I love me some Squishmallows. We don't need them. I don't buy them anymore, but they're so cute. $7.99. Oh, and they have little minis clip-on ones. Oh, adorable. Okay, I think the pink walrus takes the cake as the cutest one. I need more paper towel. $5.89 for 6 of these. I try hard to use microfiber and wash them, but some things like dog and cat messes, you want to throw it away. Okay, popcorn must be sounding really good to me because I'm gonna get this too, maple kettle corn. I love all things maple. $2.19 for this, and then they do have all these different yogurt covered pretzels, apple, cinnamon, and pumpkin spice. These mug cookie toppers look fun. They are caramelized cookies designed to sit on the rim of your mug, so you can do it for coffee, tea, hot cider, hot chocolate. I need more rice. My daughter actually wants me to make rice and beans for her lunch, so we're gonna give that a whirl. $5.89 for the jasmine rice. My son requested Crunchwraps Supreme, so we're doing that at the end of the school week, and I need tostadas for that, $2.29. And I need to get the giant large burrito size flour tortillas. I think one of my kids is having a friend over, so I'm actually getting 2 of these in case we have extra. $1.99 a piece. So my pantry marinara ended up getting open last week, and I have 2 open jars in my fridge that are barely touched, so I'm getting one of these put in the pantry, but you'll notice I'm using a lot of marinara this week because I want to get what I have in hand used up. And they don't have spaghetti, of course. Why are they out of so many things today? I could get whole wheat spaghetti. I'll get this one. A little more expensive, but $1.75. I made one of my favorite things for the first day of school breakfast, cinnamon chip scones, and I almost used all my sugar and flour, so I need to replenish. The sugar is $2.95, and the flour is $2.35. I'm getting a bag of each. This is interesting. They have Al Pastor chicken bites. It's $8.99, but I thought Al Pastor was pork, so I must have been wrong. But those look interesting from Tyson. There's not a ton new. I see they have corn ribs. Looks interesting. That's something I'm interested in though. Caprese or roasted vegetable. Looks like a folded flatbread. Roast beef and cheddar sandwiches. They still have the Indian style pizzas. Mozzarella, cherry, tomato, and arugula. Different pizzas it looks like they've had for a while. The different Asian skillets or stir-fry vegetables. Different pastas. A lot of this stuff looks like stuff they've had the past couple weeks. Yeah, I'm truly not seeing much new except for this non-dairy ice cream. That's $3.49. Okay, so this is what I've been craving, the dill dip with fresh veggies, $3.99. And then I'm getting Southwest guac for when we have Crunchwraps. Love this stuff, $2.39. I'm also going to get mild salsa for $2.49. I'm going to get mozzarella for the spaghetti bake, $3.79. Actually, I don't want that much, so I'm going to just shred my own, $1.95. I love putting this Parmesan cheese on top of my tomato soup, $2.19. I need this Mexi style cheese for $2.99 for Elsie's rice and beans lunch, and also we can put it on top of the Crunchwraps. I thought this looks really good, but I'm the only one in my family that would eat that. Yummy. $4.99 if that's your jam. $1.15 broccoli for baked potatoes. I'm getting 2 bags of these green beans for my dog. We give her these as treats or in her food, 96 cents a piece. like to have them on hand. We have so many mums here. Tons of them. They're $4.99, 8-inch garden mums. To go along with the peanut butter, my husband also asked me to get vanilla ice cream, and no surprise there, $5.95. Yay, this makes me happy. There are 6 of these. I'm completely out at my house, so I'm gonna grab all 6, 89 cents a piece. I drink these while fasting and love them. Yay, I was hoping to see this. Maple butter, I love this stuff. I buy usually 1 jar every season just because it's kind of expensive, but it's so good. $6.99. My favorite way I've ever had this is using it instead of normal butter on a warm slice of pumpkin bread or a pumpkin muffin. So yummy. These are super cute. Belgian chocolate pumpkins or apples. So here are the apple flavors. And then the pumpkin flavors. And they're $3.99 a piece. I also think these look pretty good. Marshmallow milk chocolate mini waffle cones or strawberry white chocolate, $3.99 a piece. Lots of fun things in the Aldi Finds food aisle. Pumpkin sauce. I would try that. I don't think my family would. Pumpkin spice and caramel wafer rolls. $1.99 a piece. Sometimes I get those for my kids' lunches. See the pretzels here again, mini biscotti, different flavored coffees. That sounds really good. Maple pecan pie. I saw this last week and I forgot about it, but when I make the cilantro lime rice, I think this would be a really good seasoning to really enhance the flavor. So I'm gonna get it and try it out as I experiment with making the rice. $2.99. Okay, here is my cart here at Aldi. I am gonna go to Meijer after this. Any guess on my total? Okay, my total was $130.32. Now I'm gonna get a few things from Meijer and then we'll see the meal plan at home. Okay, now we are at Meijer where I'm gonna round out my shopping list. Thankfully I did Aldi first, so I was able to add anything I missed to my shopping list. I need 1 lime, and it's just my luck because look at, they have a single lime. I might start buying these in the bag if my girls end up making cilantro lime rice, but we'll see. Well, dang, strawberries are $2.99 a pound or $5.99 for 2 pounds. Much better price at Aldi, but they did not look good, so I guess it's probably a good thing for me to buy good strawberries. I'm just gonna buy 2 pounds to get through the lunches this week. Almost made a mistake. I thought those are the 2-pound packs. They are not. Those are sweet berries. I've never bought them, but they're twice the cost. So I got 2 of these. I want the basil. I just don't know what the price is, but it looks pretty good. I'm hoping $3 or $4. I'll fill you in. Okay, Meijer doesn't have the 3-pound varieties either, so I'm just going to grab, oh my goodness, the yellow onions. Gotta check them though. It seems like there's a lot of flies over here. Okay, I didn't think of juice boxes when I grabbed just the basket here, but I'm gonna get these Capri Suns, the lemonade ones. Both my kids like this flavor. Okay, I'm gonna get this giant jar, $3.69. Hopefully Kel likes this. He's used to the Aldi kind, but Aldi didn't have any, and then I don't have to go back. $3.69. I might not be able to get what I'm looking for here. I think the last time we got it, we did have to buy it on Amazon, but I'm looking for black peppercorns to refill our grinders, and we like to put full peppercorns in our soups, some of the brothier soups, but I'm not seeing actual peppercorn unless I buy like a new grinder, or I guess up there. But okay, here it is, $2.89 for a big container. Okay, here I have everything, which is good that I'm done because I don't have much more room. Any guess on my total? And then we'll go home, see the meal plan, and any recipes. Okay, basil is $3.29. Okay, total $22.62. I'm just waiting. They think I'm fraudulent, I think. I scanned too quickly or something. Okay, so the meal plan for this week. First day of school for my kids, tomato soup. We went out to lunch today, and so I wanted something that was really easy to just eat a lot of or a little, depending on how you're feeling after lunch. Tomato soup, all my kids love that, so it's something that not only would I look forward to, but it's easy for the day. We did not have the fried rice with steak last week or the ziti. We ended up having just pantry meals because last week of school busyness took over and we just ate kind of like fend for yourself or quick pantry meals. So I have both of these already from last week. Thursday, we're gonna have leftovers of these first 3 days, especially with the soup. We usually eat leftovers. Actually, soup from last week is what we ate one of the days. Then Friday, we are having Crunchwraps, celebrating the first week of school. We're actually gonna have a movie night as well where we have different snacks, so that'll be easy. Everyone can make their own. Vegetarian, I'll use freezer taco meat that I keep on hand for us meat eaters. Saturday, we're gonna have baked potatoes. I have cheese or steamed broccoli, bacon bits, sour cream, cheese, pepper, jalapenos, whatever toppings you want. Everyone makes their own. It's a family favorite, really easy. And then Sunday, this is something I've never made before, baked spaghetti. My daughter ate this at a friend's house and she really liked it, so I'm gonna try making it. She, of course, wants a vegetarian, but we're gonna try making that at home. So I'm using a new recipe for that. We'll see if she likes it. So this is our meal plan for the week. And if you wanna see how I make tomato soup, it's a family favorite. Well, except for my husband, he doesn't love tomato soup. But my kids and I absolutely love it. It's a regular around here. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.